Hey guys, how to upload photos to Google Drive from your iPhone. For this we need to install Google Drive application, go to App Store, find Google Drive, install it and then open this application. Check that you log into your account, then in the bottom menu, in the right corner, tap Files, and here we see a plus. Tap plus, then choose Upload, choose Photos and Videos, then choose an album with photo, choose the photo or some photos, and then in right upper corner, tap Upload. Process and uploads, and now we have new files in Google Drive. That's okay, but what to do if you want to upload your photos from gallery when you see photos? Go to the gallery, Photos, see all photos. Let's choose any photo. Then in bottom left corner, tap Upload and then find our Google Drive application. Tap Drive and then in top right corner, tap Upload. File uploading. Let's check. Go to Google Drive and we have new 74 GPG file. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for the watching. Like, subscribe. Have a nice day. See you soon.